I don't know how many IBOs were part of the first litter ones that they sold, like I got.
First litter?
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know if they... Oh, look, there's a UFO. Look at flashing red lights going across the sky.
Yeah, it's so fast. It's going so fast.
Look. It's obviously a UFO. It's a drone. Did you see it? I better call.
Yep.
Hey, we've got it. I've got it with the camera on here.
Oh.
My dash cam. Make a note. It was at 4:59. I'll pull the video off and send it into the news.
Yep.
It was kind of strange, though, to be honest. Just flashing red lights going across the sky.
Military security?
I mean, most aircraft, again, you've got like a red beacon on one side and a green beacon on the other side on it and stuff. So to have just flashing red